waste another day. Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
What's up everybody, welcome to a new vlog. For all the first time viewers, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Where I'm going, why I'm going, for how many days I'm going, बाकी की बातें motor vlog पे करेंगे. पहले let me put all of my luggage on the bike, let me load my luggage, and I'll see you in the motor vlog setup.
Don't go run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one, damn this one.
Alright, so the weather is perfect and it's been so long since I took my bike out, wore a little bit gear, took a bit of luggage, so it feels perfect, it feels home, it feels good. One more thing, a lot of you guys asked me why I'm not uploading a lot, and you guys asked if I need some help. I honestly feel like Aki Vlogs is so much more than just me and my brand. It actually feels like a family now. Actually, I was taking a bunch of life decisions, so I couldn't really concentrate on Aki Vlogs, but just the fact that you guys ask if I need any help is like overwhelming. And the boys are here, ready to rock and roll. Since it's an unplanned ride, we don't know what we're doing, and I'm sure we're not going too far, so I'm not wearing too much gear. I'm only wearing Skoiko's elbow guards and knee guards, and also this thing, it's a full rider's mask from Grand Pit Stop. You guys can buy 5% off Aki Vlogs. Check this out, it's super cool. You don't have to carry an extra mask with all this corona thing happening. बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Now let's get on the road, fuel डालेंगे, मजे करेंगे.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need
Well, the main
them.
agenda of this ride or this vacation is just to hang out with the boys, have fun, chill out. I'm not going to make big promises that ye dikhaunga, wo dikhaunga, yahan leke jaunga. The whole idea is to chill out. It's been very long time since me and the boys took a vacation. Auntie G.
So can we just slow down? The only thing
Since there isn't a real agenda or a proper plan, the blueprint of this trip is to just ride in parallel with the coastline. So any left from here is actually the ocean. So the plan is we'll go in the same highway. When we get bored, when we get tired, or when we feel satisfied, let's stop, chill out. This highway goes up to Goa, I think, or even further. But I don't think we're going to do Goa. Either we'll stop somewhere near Murdeshwar, or if man kiya to Gokarna tak jayenge.
is laying next to you. We need to slow down.
Yo, I wasn't actually expecting to get here this quickly, but after riding like for almost continuously 150 kilometers, I think we are in Marwanthe. Look at how beautiful this beach is. Very pretty, very, very pretty, gorgeous. I love how, we ride right next to the ocean. This feels so premium and nice. Screw you, truck. Screw you, truck. I want to say the word that rhymes with truck, but the problem is YouTube's gonna demonetize my video. After riding for about 100 kilometers from home, we took our first break. Like, how can we not take a break at this beautiful view? So now we are planning to have some tea and something to eat. I packed something from home.
Yeah.
Just pack some fresh cabbage bhaji from home. Always handy.
You know.
It's been so long that we rode to somewhere randomly, stopped in a shop like this, had some coffee tea, and coffee tea ke saath kya best hota hai? Biscuits.
Wonder.
Bonda. You like Bonda, my boy?
Who doesn't?
Bro, ride Samaya, okay? Ride her fast, ride her like she deserves it, ride her like you own it. I got you? So guys, Prajay is like this guy who works on ulta commands. If I ask him to ride fast, he'll ride slowly. If I ask him to ride slowly, he'll ride and disappoint me. Stand up, mein ho. Alright, finally the Xpulse 200 is in my hand. The reason you guys clicked this video. Now let's go. Neutral padoda. And there goes Prajay. Let's go. This bike is so much more comfortable than the Duke to ride. Marwanthe, I love you. I'll see you the next time I'm passing by. Let's go on the Xpulse.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now
It is so nice to ride a bike which is upright to sit and raised handlebars. And yes, in the early part of the video I said it is kind of hard for people to catch up with the Duke 390, but this vehicle does 90, now it will do 100 comfortably. We are two people, I have a pillion, and it's doing its job. It's doing it pretty well, I think. The biggest switch for me to ride from Duke 390 to Xpulse 200 immediately, the difficult part, the hard spot is the ABS. Since it's a single channel ABS, yeah, since it's not 100% equipped like the Duke 390, it's kind of hard to brake, gear down and do all of those at the same time. But I think that this is perfect speeds to ride, guys. What do you think? Give me your opinions in the comment section below, because I don't think the bike is suffering at 100 kilometers per hour with a pillion, and the Duke is not really too far.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to
I'm pretty sure you guys will be wondering what setup is this. Since we are a pillion and we don't have proper ways to keep the luggage, what we did is we loaded my Duke 390, most of my luggage. Kyunki if you're normally traveling, you just have to carry a bunch of clothes and XYZ. But since I'm also vlogging or documenting this whole journey, I have to waterproof it and then make sure it's not only water resistant, it's also waterproof. Moreover, Xpulse had a pillion, so what we decided is the pillion will carry his luggage and the rider will mount it on the tank. So far so good. Fuel economy is on notch because we have rode for over 150-170 kilometers and the fuel bars have only reduced by 2. One of most common questions I get asked about the Xpulse 200 is, I'm a college going student and I'm confused between the NS 200 or the Xpulse 200. In my opinion, if you're a college going student, you need a bike to go to college 5 days a week and then probably 6 days a week and then 1 day for a weekend ride. Any bike is comfortable to do that. But I would still go for an Xpulse 200 because you can ride 400 to 500 kilometers on this, close your eyes and comfortably come back home without feeling a lot of fatigue. Having said that, when I was in college, I wanted a very fast going bike. I had a Gixxer 150, I think. I had a Gixxer 155 and I had an FZ. And I wanted a fast going, like a naked peppy bike. You can't really do that on this bike because the engine is not very refined. It's a very torquey bike. There isn't a top speed. There isn't a very good number top speed. There is a top speed video that I made. You'll find it in the I button. Other than that, in my opinion, this is a very comfortable bike. And moreover, buying a bike isn't a buy haath ka khel. I'm pretty sure your parents are going to fund it. So buy a bike, something like the Xpulse 200 that you can comfortably ride until you can buy a bike yourself. Another good thing I notice about this bike is it's kind of made for short people. Having said that, I'm not short, I'm 5'6", but I tell people I'm 5'7". So if you're around that height, I feel very comfortable. Like I reach absolutely perfectly and my hands, my shoulders, they feel very well rested. I wish this bike had a 6th gear and it had a little more refined engine. Badhiya, bahut hi zyada maza aata. The pillion who's sitting on this bike is the owner of the bike and he's like, the bike isn't comfortable at all for a pillion. And that's kind of something that I said anyways. The seat isn't the best because it's a very narrow seat. So if you're doing long rides on this, that's a drawback. But you guys can buy a nice gel seat or something from Grand Pit Stop and not gel seat, air seat from Grand Pit Stop, and then you guys can enjoy the rest of your ride. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the Xpulse did 8,000 kilometers. This puppy is still such an infant. I love you, baby. Sorry for making you go through this, but you're in good hands. बहुत ही बढ़िया sunset हो रहा है. Wow.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
What a beautiful sunset. Sunset ho to aisi ho varna na ho. The sky is literally purple in color. What a beauty. What a beauty. Moments like these actually make a ride complete, or like, you know, a travel complete. This is exactly why people say you don't really have to focus on the destination, the journey is what matters. Wow, just look at this sky. Everything about now is perfect. Like, if we weren't here at this point of time, we wouldn't get to see the sunset. So don't sweat the small stuff. Everything happens for a reason, alright? The style in what I brake is also very different while compared from the Duke to the Xpulse 200. What I do in the Duke is, no matter how fast I am, I first pull the front brakes and I make sure all the weight transfers to the front and I get the good grip, and then I slightly tincture with the back brake. But that's not the case with the Xpulse. What I do in the Xpulse is I do 50-50. I hold both the front and the back because I don't want to take the risk of it not stopping, you know. Because at any point of time, there's a high chance that it could start skidding and the wheels could get locked. Another very important aspect while touring is the lights of the motorcycle, because one does not only ride in the day, right? So they ride in the night also. Especially me, I love to ride in the night because generally the traffic is low, there aren't a lot of things crossing across. So I prefer to ride in the night, and when you ride in the night, lights play a very major role. So this is how it looks in the night. Pretty visible, pretty nicely lit. Not the best for touring, but I think it is sufficient. Alright, so finally made it to the location. I won't reveal where we are yet. Wait for tomorrow's vlog. I'm surprised I still have energy to do this. Okay, don't reveal it, bro. I'll see you guys in another one. I hope you guys like the video. Copyright work, I'll have to mute that.